Welcome to Vegas CCW. In this video, we are going to discuss how to apply for your Nevada CCW permit. So let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that Nevada is a shall-issue state. That means, if you are 21 or older and you meet the qualifications for a CCW permit, you will be granted a permit. As a general rule, if you are able to legally purchase a firearm, you will most likely be approved for a permit. The only exception to the age requirement is for active military personnel who may apply on their 18th birthday. To start the process for obtaining your CCW permit, you will first need to take an 8-hour course from an approved CCW instructor, like the ones we have at Vegas CCW. Be sure to check for current pricing and special promotions on the vegasccw.com website. During this course, you will receive instruction on the laws of Nevada related to self-defense, gun safety, a shooting qualification, and a final exam. Once you pass the course, you will receive a completion certificate, which you can then take to the police department to complete the application process. When you go to the police department to turn in your application, you will need to fill out pages 1 through 6 of the application. You can print a copy of the application at lvmpd.com or pick up a copy when you go in. You may make an appointment online to go in, or walk your application in every day from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., excluding Thanksgiving and Christmas. For residents of Clark County, Nevada, you will need to go to LVMPD headquarters located at 400 South Martin Luther King Boulevard, Building C. For other counties, you will need to go to your local sheriff's department. Once you are at the police department, they will take your fingerprints and a photo for your permit. Be prepared to provide 10 years of residential history. After this is complete, you will receive your permit by mail within 120 days, though it can come sooner. The police department will charge an application fee of around $100. If you have a problem with your CCW permit, remember you can always contact the Concealed Carriers Union, who can help you resolve any issues you have with your CCW permit. You can join over 200,000 other Nevada concealed carriers for free at concealedcarriersunion.com. Having a CCW permit is a big responsibility. While our CCW course is the highest rated course in Nevada, remember that this is not the end of your training. We highly recommend that, while you wait for your CCW permit, you take that time to seek additional training. One course we recommend is the Perfect Group, a one-on-one program that will help you get command of your shot. You can find additional information about this program at vegasccw.com/perfectgroup. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. At Vegas CCW, we are here to help you on your journey to protecting yourself and your loved ones. If you would like additional information, you can browse our other videos that cover a wide variety of other topics related to your Nevada CCW. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.